Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or be discussing with you, please unblock challenges.cloudflare.com to proceed. How do you fix it? But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you're getting the please unblock challenges or cloudflare.com in here, so when you're visiting a website, well, this can be really frustrating. So let's go and explain or discuss first what it is. Now, basically, different websites that, like for example, Down Detector, Canva, and other websites out there uses what we call Cloudflare. Now, Cloudflare here is a major infrastructure company that basically it secures and optimizes the speed on those websites that actually get their services. So basically, Cloudflare, if you do see that cloudflare.com in here, that's the company protecting and basically optimizing those websites. So with that said, why are we getting this one? If a company is one of the reasons why we're getting this, so why are we getting this? So it means like currently the Cloudflare servers may be experiencing certain issues. So in this case, if you try searching for Cloudflare server status here, it should give you the link for their website Cloudflare status, and if you click on it, you should be able to see different updates. Now, typically, if you do see any updates in here, like for example, Cloudflare sites and services, if you do see any reds in here or any notifications, it means that there are some problems on their server. So if you're familiar with the recent problem that happened with Canva or with different websites out there where Cloudflare actually shut down, well, that's the cause here. So they may have some server issues, so that's why certain websites are not up. So there's not much that we could do in here, so we could just visit their Cloudflare status website and see if they fixed it. So typically the fix could range from a few hours to a few days. So typically after a whole day they would fix the issue by then. Sometimes only certain websites or some websites will go online, but some will not go totally online. So it's still on the wage side. So you may need to wait a whole day before it can actually get fixed. But then again, like what I said, there's not much that we could do in here, but wait. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and share button and watch our next video.